It's the fear of any business. An uncontrollable fire in the building that leaves your electrical cabinet, warehouse, or even your whole factory completely destroyed. We're here to prevent that. DSPA, experts in highly effective fire suppression systems. Attacking the fire at the source, our aerosol fire suppressants are innovative and unique in the market. The active substances of our product attacks the combustion process of a fire at a chemical level, removing the energy from the fire, thus ensuring a quick suppression of the fire while leaving the oxygen levels intact. This makes our system cost-efficient, highly effective, and eco-friendly. Our non-pressurized aerosol generators have a 15-year serviceable lifetime and are easily installed, making them low maintenance. Our systems are used in transport, healthcare, the energy sector, telecommunication, and more, ensuring the safety of archives, storage, and server rooms. DSPA.